Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Johra Jafar from Lightfair School English version. My dear students of class 4, today we will learn from our new grammar tree book, content 11, and our topic is personal pronouns, page number 48. Okay, let's start. There are different kinds of pronouns. For the present, we shall look at only one of them, personal pronouns. Okay. Our topic is personal pronouns. These pronouns are called personal pronouns because we use them to refer, number 1, to ourselves, number 2, to people we are talking to, and number 3, to people we are talking about. When we tell somebody something, 3 persons are usually involved. Number 1, the speaker or the person who is saying something. Number 2, the person spoken to or the person to whom the speaker is saying something. Number 3, the person spoken of or the person about whom the speaker is saying something. Remember that we are using the word person here in a general sense, that is, to refer to anything living or non-living. A. The king told Ali, "I have told you to kill Siraj, for he is your enemy." 1. The pronoun I refers to the speaker, the king. 2. The pronoun you refers to the person spoken to, that is Ali, to whom the king is speaking. 3. The pronoun he refers to the person spoken of, that is Siraj, about whom the king is telling Ali something. The personal pronoun I, which refers to the person who is speaking, is known as the first person. The person pronoun you, which refers to the person who is being spoken to, is known as the second person. The personal pronoun he, which refers to the person spoken of, is known as the third person. The different forms of the 3 personal pronouns are given in the tables below. Study them carefully. Person, singular, plural. First person, I, plural we, me, plural us, my, plural our, singular mine, plural ours. I repeat, singular I, plural we, singular me, plural us, singular my, plural our, singular mine, plural ours. Remember that I is always written with a capital I, never with a small I. The forms mine and ours are called possessive pronouns. The forms mine and ours are called possessive pronouns. The forms my and our are called possessive adjectives because they act like adjectives. You will learn the use of the forms my, mine, our, ours. You will learn the use of the forms my, mine, our, ours in book 5. Person. Second person, singular, plural, thou, ye, thee, you, thy, your, thine, yours. Thou, ye, thee, you, thy, your, thine, yours. Remember, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We now usually use you, your, and yours instead of the forms thou, thee, thy, and thine. The forms thou, thee, thy, and thine are seldom used, and then only in prayers and poems. Prayers and poems. We use the plural forms you, yours, your, whether we are talking to one or more than one person. The form yours is known as a possessive pronoun. The form your is called a possessive adjective because it acts like an adjective. You will learn the use of the forms your, yours in book 5. Person, third person, singular, plural, masculine, feminine, common or neuter. He, masculine, he, him, his, feminine, she, her, hers, common or neuter, it, its, plural number, they, them, their, theirs, masculine, feminine, common, plural, masculine, he, him, his, feminine, she, her, hers, common or neuter, it, its, plural, they, them, their, theirs. Number 9. The forms hers, his, theirs are known as possessive pronouns. 10. The form her, as in her, book, and there are known as possessive adjectives because they act like adjectives. 11. The form his is used both as a possessive pronoun and as a possessive adjective. 12. The form is can be used only as a possessive adjective. You will learn the use of all these forms in book 5. Okay. Number A. Pick out the personal pronouns from the following sentence. Mention of what kind, first, second, or third person each is and its number. Number 1. Exercise. Number 1. We wanted him to go to a doctor immediately. We, first person, wanted him, third person. Number 2. I rang him up and gave him the message. I rang him, third person, I, first person, him, and gave him, third person. Number 3. I wanted to go to Benares, but all of them wanted to go to Kashmir. I, first person, but all of them, third person. Number 4. She is a vegetarian, so we must make something special for her. She, third person. We, first person. Special for her, third person. Number 5. He asked them, he, third person, them, third person, to see the play, but they, third person, to see a film. Okay. Number 6. The child, third person, loved the puppy so much that he, third person, it to bed with him, third person. 7. We must tell him what we have heard. We, first person, must tell him, third person, what we, first person, have heard. Okay. 8. The teacher told her. The teacher told her, third person, to take proper care of her, third person. 9. Moni told Suraj, if you